road to riches, switching every lane. And I know there may be a few things off in my way, but I'm not bothered by it. No, I'm not bothered by it at all.
Get grimy, go get it. Get money, the mission. All about the dollar, like we working for commission. Who got the competition? Check the roster. None of you niggas is even hotter. Yeah, I got to smoke the weed. Yeah, I'm a roster. Click clack, who shot ya? The word is read. Read. You can't even say read. Ooh. I'm gonna let you read. Read the word. You can't read the word. Move that PP cover. That's why you can't even read. Bro, you stain. She stained, right? I don't smell no pee. I read it. I read it. It's the pee. I'm trying to read you the pee direction. Read the direction. You can't read and that's the pee girl. Oh well, y'all are stupid. Y'all smell like pee. Both of y'all. At least now what the shirt right? Why you wear that shirt you wore yesterday? Hey, your teeth ain't pee in the bed. You stained.
Good evening, breaking news. I'm coming to you live from in the newsroom. I am up here down here at Camp Crystal Lake. Okay, this is the anniversary of the drowning death of Jason Voorhees. Okay, they is gonna open up the camp back up, Camp Crystal Lake, and they is letting the campers come in. This is the first day. Okay, they letting the campers come in, so we gonna see how the parents let the children come in and with the camp counselors and stuff like that. Good evening, breaking news. I'm coming to you live from in the newsroom. I am up here down here at Camp Crystal Lake. Okay, we is up here down here. Pamela Voorhees then went on a rampage. She is up there trying to avenge her son's death. Okay, they has drowned her son. They had let him drown. They was up there down there doing knocking boots, getting booted H-Town style. Okay, shout out to H-Town. Listen, we is up here down here. There is a body. We don't know, the streets need a body, okay? And I think Pamela has chose this person to be the body for the streets.
Come on, girl.
Yes, I'm so weak though.
Yeah, I'm saying like every time I do something, let's go this way because it's a wine this way, girl. I gotta give me some Chardonnay. But every time I go somewhere, I get in like Big Cocky get me in trouble.
I know you got us in trouble last time.
Man, but when I pull up this time though, I'm just gonna be like, you know what? I don't want no trouble.
Well, maybe you gotta cover the ass.
I can't cover these, girl. How you gonna cover ass?
Oh no. You gonna get the Chardonnay?
Yeah, I'm gonna get this shorty.
Get that.
Where the shorty at?
There goes Sam.
And
Oh, you want personal?
yeah, we will use a 4-pack.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get you a 4-pack. But I fuck with them up in here. These are my niggas.
Oh, these your people right here, so we gonna get the discount here. Okay, I hope so. Oh, we need outlet. Come this way. Let's go this way to the register. We go.
I know.
So you should have paid for this? We don't know how many people.
You want? I gotta tell you. Come and check.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, sure. What's up with Ghost Man?
What's going on here?
What's up with?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
hell y'all going on?
Man, look, wine party.
Party over here.
Party over here, party over there. But just go ahead and put that on my tab.
Hell no. What you fucking talking about? Put in your tab. Let me. Oh shit. You gotta shake that ass to make that get it.
Every fucking time we go
Go,
out.
bro.
Go put the shit back there on the so we can get out.
Smack that ass to get that out.
Let him smack that out.
Friend, I'll be right back. Damn, Big Cocky always get me in trouble.
Always a pleasure, man, when I get females that come in here and rock with me, man. God damn it, this is the hood. Nevertheless, we always got some great motherfuckers in here, man. But this girl coming to the stage, man, I promise you, God damn it, she make a nigga proud to be dark skinned. I'm gonna tell you that shit, man. One of the hardest females in the goddamn city, man. I want y'all to start clapping and show your love for the one and only Ratchet Tracyyyyyyy.
Why you take so long?
DJ, that little 5 seconds of ass shaking, that was out. DJ, cut that shit. DJ trying to play the song longer, like, bitch, keep shaking ass, bitch, keep shaking. Shit, that bitch shaking ass. We want to see some more. That nigga study playing the music. Think I said cut that shit. Hey, y'all, hey. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. That's what's up. I had some real niggas in the house. Now, everybody that had their thumb in their mouth, I'm going to give y'all another chance. The little group in the corner over there, baby, I'm going to need y'all to come together like church with Ratchet Tracy on this stage. I know y'all see how this ain't. Hey, y'all, hey. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. Now, let me get straight to this comedy shit, because half you motherfuckers in here ADHD. First of all, let me tell y'all, the world ain't got real ratchet. It's the world that got ratchet. Now, I know I'm ratchet, but bitch, I'm one ratchet. The world that got ratchet. It's a whole nother thing going on in the world right now. Like old friend was saying earlier, I ain't know the daylight saving time had happened, y'all. I woke up at 9 o'clock, bitch. I woke up at 9 o'clock, got out of bed at 4 p.m. Bitch, what happened? The fuck I was in the bed for 6 hours. Bitch, I don't know what happened. I'm still trying to wake up, still trying to see what's going on. The world that got ratchet, y'all, and I'm mad for no fucking reason. Do you hear me? I'm mad for no reason. I know I'm loud right now, too, so y'all better stop trying to talk louder than me, because I'm mad for no reason. Y'all, I'm mad at little shit. Like, I'm mad at gas prices right now. I'm trying to figure out, how did my $20 give me 3.5 gallons of motherfucking gas, bitch? I can't even make no dick runs with 3.5 gallons. 3.5 gallons for $20? I'm mad, y'all. I'm mad for no fucking reason. The world that got ratchet. You hear me? It's so goddamn ratchet, y'all, that niggas is trying to take girls to Papados seafood because they coochie stink. See, y'all didn't even know. Bitch, you all didn't even know. Y'all thought that nigga was doing something. Yeah, you thought that nigga was taking you to Papa Seafood Beach, and all the while your coochie stank. Cause that whole motherfucker smell like coochie. Matter of fact, bitch, if you really want to see what he do, tell him to take you to the steakhouse. Yeah, bitch, cause right now, you giving foul vibes, y'all. I'm mad for no reason. Fucking mad. The world that got ratchet. Not one ratchet, not one, two. Ratchet. For example, don't follow real close behind me when I'm driving. Bitch, don't do that. I hate that. Don't be tailgating, bumper riding me. You know what I'm saying? And let me tell y'all, I drive slow because I think I can save gas. So, bitch, I drive slow. Don't ask me why I'm late. Bitch, I was driving slow. I was slow rolling. I slow rolled right on to work. Bitch, I was 2 hours late. I'm mad already when I get there. Friend was up here talking about kids. Shit is, listen, let me tell y'all what else made me mad. Before I talk about Friend and them kids, Ray, it makes me mad that you play that old man, Ray. That shit makes me mad. It makes me mad, y'all. I'm mad for no fucking reason. Ray get his ass up here and do the whole little... He got the whole little move and shit. He can talk like the old man. Every time I see Ray on Instagram doing the old man, I just think of a real dude. Somebody trying to get real dude right quick. Y'all don't fuck with old means? That's what it is. That's what it is. Y'all don't know old means like real dude. I'm mad for no reason, y'all. Fred was up here talking about kids, y'all. Fuck kids. I'm mad at my kids too. Fuck that shit. I'm trying to figure out how is it I can get a 50 for 100, but bitch only 3.5 gallons of gas for $20. You all know what a 50 for 100 is? And food stamps. It's food stamps. But gas prices done gone up. I'm mad for no reason. That shit ratchet, man. It's ratchet, y'all. When y'all think of some shit that's going on right now that make you mad, just say that shit ratchet. Not one ratchet, but two. Ratchet. I'm gonna tell y'all something else I don't like that I'm mad for no reason. I don't like when we finish having sex with men. Ladies, what's this shit right here? Nigga, I'm trying to figure out why I do this shit at the end of fucking, huh? I'm mad at that shit. Why that nigga already up getting the towel and shit wiping out? Some bullshit up in here somewhere. What is this, lady? And Peter said that means your soul leaving your body. Bitch, that nigga done fucked my soul out of my body. Ratchet. Some bullshit. I'm mad for no reason. I'm mad that when I was trying to get my dude some head, he fucked around and put his hand on the back of my head like this. I'm thinking he finna pat me on my head and tell me I'm doing a good job. And all of a sudden, bitch, I'm in motion. And all of a sudden, bitch, I say, I'm mad at that shit, because I want to know what long-necked bitch started that. What long-necked bitch started that? It had to be a long-necked bitch. Because my neck is 2 inches, bitch. Bitch, I got a little big neck. You can't put your thing all the way down my neck. I'm mad for no reason. Fuck this shit. Ratchet. I'm mad at Jesse Smollett. Did y'all see that Smollett shit? Yeah. Let me tell y'all something. I might be ratchet, but don't Smollett my name. You hear me? Fucking Smollett my shit. You hear me? That nigga walked out of court and said, I am not lying. I'm mad at that shit. Y'all done gave Jussie all this free publicity, all this free TV time, and we know goddamn Smollett was lying. We knew he was lying. I'm mad for no reason, y'all. The world done got ratchet. The last thing before I leave, y'all, the world done got ratchet, y'all. I don't like watching Russian women talk. I don't like them hoes talking. I have a problem with watching Russian women talk. You know why I got a problem with watching Russian women talk? For some reason, to me, I think some bitches can suck dick with. I just do. Have y'all never heard a Russian woman talk? That bitch does nothing but go, and we follow our government order. Bitch, she ain't nothing but throat. So anyways, for y'all fellas that's walking around here, ain't paying bills and shit, gas that went up, and coochie has too, okay? Hey y'all, hey! It's your girl.